Hey, are you searching for good quality drones? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these drones. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which drones are the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Force One Scoot Hand-Operated Drone for Kids or Adults. Force One's first Scoot drone is here. Throw this hand drone into the air and watch the dazzling LED lights light up this UFO-shaped flying toy. Its sophisticated sensors avoid impediments. You can use your hand to control its flight. Play modern catch with family and friends, then catch it hamburger style when you're done. This flying toy drone includes a webbed shell to protect hands, walls, and furniture from propellers. As the drone flies within, its webbed shell shields it. For kids and adults over 8, this UFO drone toy is a terrific introductory drone. The USB charged drone is 4.7 in diameter. This fascinating self-flying sensor drone can be flown for 8 minutes on each 50-minute charge with family and friends. We'll refund you if you don't like these kids and adults hand-operated drones. Number 2. Heygelo S60 Drones with LED Lights. The S60 LED drone's propeller frame boasts stunning neon blue and green LED lights that instantly light up the sky. Your flight antics will be more realistic and your kids will dazzle at night with 4 light options. The plane's lights show its direction 24/7. Start now. The one key takeoff, landing button starts the little drone. The kids' drone's smart altitude hold displays the LED lights. In headless mode, the drone always moves in the direction you paired it. These simple features are for kids and beginners. Full propeller guards safeguard kids' S60 drones. This 812-year-old RC drone is made of apps. Kids fly safely with low battery lights and emergency stops. The S60 RC quadcopter can flip and rotate 3D. LED lights enhance these antics. All kids like it. 3-speed shifting is fun and easy. Number 3. Lansand 2-Pack Mini Drone. Lansand 2-Pack Mini Drone, best small drone and flying car. It outperforms other micro drones due to its 2-in-1 land mode and fly mode. It races and flies for a little drone. Race car toy PVC makes this drone 35 miles per hour resistant. Protecting youngsters. Nylon ABS plastic covers all propellers. This indoor drone's one-key emergency stop system instantly protects the drone, furniture, humans, and pets. Altitude hold lets this tiny drone auto-hover while you play. Beginner-friendly. Race car drone. Racing cars fly it. The little drone's LED light is mesmerizing. Tech 3-speed 3 headless mode and flips fascinate kids and adults. This drone is kid-friendly at low and medium speeds. This race vehicle drone can go ahead, turn left, or turn right, thrilling adults. Adults adore its fast drifting. 4-way flip this drone. 4 battery packs have 2 drones and 4 batteries. Red-blue. 2.4 GHz offers 2-player racing. 4 7-minute batteries last 28 minutes. This will amuse everyone and foster parent-child bonding. Great gift for grandchildren, kids, family, friends, business partners, or partners. Number 4. Tomzon A23 Drone with LEDs. The Tomzon A23 Drone's brilliant LEDs illuminate the propeller guards with 7-color light for a thrilling flying experience. The toy drone has 2 LED light settings that automatically change colors and effects. The Tomzon A23 LED drone circles and does high-speed 3D flips. These interesting features let you perform drone stunts, illuminated by LED lights. Enjoy with kids and friends. This small drone works by throwing it up or pressing the remote control's off button. 3 speeds for beginners and pros. Headless mode and altitude hold make flying easier. 2 modular rechargeable batteries for 18 minutes of flight time, doubling enjoyment. Just plug in modular batteries to charge and install. Dual port charging cables save time by charging 2 batteries simultaneously. The Tomzon A23 Kids drone has propeller guards and high-quality materials for safety and durability. A 1-button emergency stop stops the drone instantaneously. Never lose your drone. Number 5. Dowellin 4. 9-inch drive-on with crash-proof. A wonderful gift for kids. With high-quality crash protectors, your kids won't be wounded by falling aircraft. Protect the motors and propellers. Easy to play. 3 speed options let you adapt the speed to your skill level. The drone hovers at the current height when you release the throttle stick, making flips and rolls more stable. You can flip the drone and start it with 1 button. It will wow your child and their friends with its LED lights. Bright and attractive, delightful to fly anytime. In headless mode, you won't have to worry about the drone's direction, especially while it's out of sight. 15-minute flight time with 2 drone batteries. Your flight time is extended to 15 minutes. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.